Today I'll show you 3 different ways that you can hyphenate text within a Word document. The normal way is to simply press the hyphen character. So an example is eco-friendly. But there are times when you want to keep words or characters together, such as a phone number. So I'll remove the hyphen for this phone number, and instead I'll replace it with what's called a hard hyphen. I'll hold down the Shift key, the Command key, and tap the hyphen character. Now that phone number will never be separated in this paragraph. There are other times you have words that should have a hyphenation appear if they're at the end of a line, but not if they're in the middle of the paragraph. So here's an example, the word collaboration. I'll move where I want the hyphen to appear, and this time I'll do a soft hyphen. That's Command and the hyphen character. As long as that word is not at the end of a line, the hyphen does not appear. Watch as I add some text. Suddenly the hyphen appears. If I remove text and the hyphen isn't needed, it disappears.